Hello.
Hello, this is my boy. This is our last baby in the building. Today, he will do my model. Please, Gabriel, try and cooperate. I'm going to tie him. Bridal fan cross Gele. Stay with us. Please help me to beg Gabriel to cooperate as we get started. Gabriel, sit up. Yes, good boy. Gabriel is ready now. Okay. Do your head like this. Okay. Gabriel is a good boy. Oh. Gabriel is. We are going to create 5 or 6 pleating. Then we'll cross. This side, you cover the ear. Tell your model to hold it. Gabriel, hold there. Then the other side, we go behind the back of the ear. Okay. Okay, Gabriel, raise your hand. Hold them. Please, don't remove your hand, please. Okay, let me show you the back. Let me show them the back. This is the back. If your model hair is not nice, you cover. If it's nice, you open. Let me cover it. Okay. So right now, if you want to cross it at the back, you take the shorter one. This is the shorter one because we divide it 40, 60. This is the shorter one. The shorter one always go up. The shorter one always go up. This is the longer one. This is the 60. The longer one go down. Yes, this house, I have 3 boys. My 3 children, they are boys. So the bigger one said no. Okay, you tight it. Okay, so Gabriel, hold this way, hold this side. Yes. Okay. Bring your head down like this. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You will be fine. Wait, let me set up here before I give it to you. Set up this place. Gabriel, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn. Set up this place. Then you give it to him to hold. Hold here. Raise your head. Before you continue, make sure you adjust this your first. Try and adjust it now. Okay. So this is the 40. Turn your head a little bit this way. This is the 40. Give it to me. This is the 40. We are going to use it to cover the other ear. Then that is what we call crossing. Many people call it V. Many people call it crossing. Okay. This is how we do crossing. Crossing. You cross it. Make sure the crossing be at the middle. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Gabriel, wait. Then now you create. Wait. You try and create like 6 pleating to cross. Try and create 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do like 6 for us to see the beauty. Okay. Please, if this is your first time you come across this channel, subscribe. We have many videos on this our YouTube channel, That Beauty. Yes, we do makeup as well. I cannot use my voice to do the makeup, but I can only beg them if they will agree for me, if they can do model for me on Gele. Okay. Give me please. Start film. Okay. This is what we call crossing. Crossing. So as you cross, make sure it's cross. Okay. So you extend the pleating. Okay. So you use this last one to come up. Just pin it. Pin. You use pin. Use pin. Don't worry. It's tight. No. Use pin and make sure you be careful. Okay. This is crossing. So right now we are going to work on the 60. 60, Gabriel, can you sit up, please? Okay, good boy. Good boy. Do you know Gabriel is a good boy? So right now we are going to create the fan. Don't hold me, don't hold me. This is just matter. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are going to work on this 60. First, we fold it like this. Okay, Gabriel, sit down. You fold it like this. Fold, fold, fold. Okay. Now, you place it here. You place it here like this. Okay. You place it there. Okay. We start creating like 4. Create like 4. I wish Gabriel can just stay now for me to finish this hairstyle. Oh God, I wish Gabriel can just start filming. Emma, are you alright? Don't distract yourself. Just stand your head for me. That is the only thing I want you to do. And be smiling, okay? Bring your head down a little bit. Okay. Okay. So hold this place. Put your hand here like this. Like this. Yeah. And if you want to hold it very tight like this. If you don't hold it very tight, everything will lose. We'll start from the beginning. Do you want us to start from the beginning?
Yes.
No. So just make sure. Don't remove your hand there. Hold it very tight. Hold it very tight. Don't remove your hand though, please. Don't remove your hand though. I just pray you don't remove your hand. Don't remove your hand. Hold it very tight, okay? Good boy. So can you see? Is it tight enough? Gabriel, is it tight enough?
Yes.
Okay. Good boy. Okay. Okay, so very small. Smile. You can remove your hand. Okay. So right now we want to set up the up, and please, as you are setting up the up, Gabriel, cooperate so that we'll do this thing. You'll be free, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Be smiling. Hey, see how I'm bring your head down a little bit. Bring your head down. We'll start our folding. Gabriel, why you want to spice them now? You know that all those Asian that watch my video, they will be scared.
No.
Oh, don't. Please don't. Gabriel want to spoil this video. Don't do that, okay? Just be smiling. Do your neck like this. Good boy. Wait, don't look at me. Don't look at me. Just arrange your head for me. Wait, don't be. Oh, yeah. Face this side. We're almost done in this side. Be smiling. Otherwise, this video, you know that YouTube will just delete it. If you're not smiling, they'll say, this woman is punishing this child. This video, they will not let this video get view. You understand? So you don't want my video to get view.
I don't.
If you know you want my video to get view, be smiling. Let's ready this side, okay? So just do your neck like this, okay? Good boy. Good boy. Just do your neck. Don't do your neck this way. Like this. Wait. Okay, don't do like that. Look, stay like that, okay? Stay like that. Don't worry, everything will finish. Make sure you're smiling, okay? I want my viewers to know that you are happy. If you're not smiling, you will say, oh my God, who is to do negative? I'm going to feel this side so I can complete this proper. When I was pregnant, I said, God, you know that I will do Gele. When I all these children that will come and do model for me, God tell me that even what girls can do, boys can do it. I wish let me pause this video. Okay, now I cannot do it like this. This side, okay? Do you like this side?
Yes.
Very well, Papa. Bring your head where you bring it before. Good boy. Okay. Hey, let me try this. Okay, let me see you from far. Okay. Yes. yes. This is the final look. This is the final look, guys. Yes. Okay, this is the final look. Let me show you the back. Gabriel, are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah. Sit up. Yes. This is the final look. Yes. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I want to do thumbnail. Yeah, let's do thumbnail. And let me take you a picture of thumbnail.